Roper Whitney H.I.P 600 Profab hardware insertion press.
All right, let's take a look at it. I've already got air on. I don't have power yet, but we can take a walk through it. We got some tooling on here. I'm not hitting any pieces. We go downstairs right away. It does come with some supplies of rivets down in here in the containers.
Okay.
And other than that, up on top here, around the side, there's a couple more pieces of tooling. Block and some wrenches. Some tooling up on the top here, and whatever they were running with before we got it. Around the back side is our connections. 110 for the pump motor and control circuitry. I'm just kind of temped in here off my cord. On-off switch for the machine. One air line, that's pretty much it. So it's plug and play on that end. Any wall receptacle runs this thing. That's what I've got it plugged into. And coming up on the side here, we got the electric panel. And there's the control valve for pressure, and just standard relays, on-off switches, push buttons, and what have you. So that's all good to go. Whoops, let me get over here. And so we'll turn the key switch for power on and pump on. And it's set up or run, or set up. I'm just going to leave it in run. Yeah, run. And the only other two controls are ram up. This is the height that it'll come up. We can play a little bit with this. And this, of course, is pressure. We can play around with that a little bit when I fire it up. I'm going to stay off to the side here. And I'm just going to cycle it several times, and you can move around with the camera. What you want to watch here is, you hear it, but I'm hitting at 500 for a few seconds, and then it backs off. I'm going to do pressure first. I'm going to dial it up a little bit more. There's 600, 7 maybe, 800, there's 900, there's 1,000. I don't really have to stay there. I'm going to back off. We're not really hitting anything except tooling here. So there's about 600. And then watch the distance on here. See how far this is coming up? Now I'm going to go over here to ram up on this dial and dial that up a little bit. And after I finish, see how high that goes? I'm going to go a little bit more with the dial. So that's what ram up does. It just lets you go higher up with your upper tool after finish. I'm going to back down again small to see where we're at. There it is. See? There's a little guy. I'm going to dial up a little bit more. Just kind of leave it right there. Kind of where we're at here, so. And I'm doing all this just with the foot pedal, if you can see that. That's good.
That's great.
Good, yeah.
Thank you.
It's a good machine. There we go. So pump off. Go back to setup. That falls down. There's setup. Pump off. Key off. 110 volts. We're good to go.